Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a motorcycle that promises equal parts thrill and comfort, the Kawasaki Versys 1000 SELT. This machine isn't your average motorcycle, it's an adventure tourer designed to conquer highways and handle a taste of the off-road. So, buckle up as we explore its key features, performance, and why it might be the perfect two-wheeled companion for your next escapade. Built for the journey. Show close-up shots of the motorcycle. First things first, let's talk design. The Versys 1000 SE Lieutenant boasts a rugged, wind-cheating look. That prominent front fairing isn't just for aesthetics, it provides excellent wind protection, keeping you comfortable on long rides. Now, don't be fooled by its size. Kawasaki has kept weight distribution in mind, making it surprisingly maneuverable, even at low speeds. Power under your thumb. Cut to footage of the motorcycle accelerating. Speaking of maneuverability, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The Versys 1000 SE Lieutenant packs a punch with its 1043cc engine. This translates to smooth, responsive power delivery, perfect for navigating city streets or overtaking on the highway. Don't worry, though, Kawasaki hasn't forgotten fuel efficiency. Optimized fuel injection ensures you get the most out of every tank, extending your exploration range. Tech for the modern rider. Show close-up shots of the dashboard and controls. Now, Kawasaki isn't just about raw power. The Versys 1000 SE Lieutenant comes loaded with tech to enhance your ride. We're talking about a fully adjustable electronic suspension system that automatically adapts to road conditions, providing a smooth ride for you and your passenger. And for those who love pushing the limits, there are rider modes that adjust throttle response and traction control, allowing you to customize your experience. Unique selling points. Focus on specific features. Let's highlight what truly sets the Versys 1000 SE Lieutenant apart. First, there's the Kawasaki Electronic Control Suspension (KECS) with Showa's Skyhook technology. Imagine a virtual hook keeping your motorcycle level, no matter the bumps. This translates to a more comfortable, planted ride, especially on long journeys. Another highlight is the integrated luggage system. Unlike some afterthought options, the Versys 1000 SELT's hard cases are sleek and aerodynamic, offering significant storage space for all your gear without compromising handling. Who is this bike for? Show the motorcycle in various riding situations. So, who is the Versys 1000 SE Lieutenant for? It's the perfect match for experienced riders who crave adventure. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or weekend getaways with a touch of off-road exploration, this motorcycle offers the comfort, performance, and technology to make your journey unforgettable. Conclusion. Show the motorcycle parked scenically. The Kawasaki Versys 1000 SE Lieutenant is a compelling option for riders seeking a versatile, feature-packed adventure tourer. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced tech make it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Call to action. If you're looking for a motorcycle that can handle anything you throw at it, be sure to check out the Kawasaki Versys 1000 SELT. Leave a comment below with what kind of adventures you'd take this bike on, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle reviews and exciting content. Thanks for joining us.